The book of 1 Samuel highlights a central theme: obedience to God, a theme that resonates through the ages. Saul's disobedience leads to his downfall, a tragic end for a once promising leader. David, though imperfect, is favored by God, his heart aligned with divine will. Why? Because he seeks God's guidance in all things, showing humility and reverence. This sets the stage for a powerful story of leadership, faith, and redemption, a story that continues to inspire to this day. Chapter 30 of 1 Samuel presents a crisis. David, now a seasoned warrior, faces a devastating situation. He returns to Ziklag, the city where his men and their families lived. He finds it destroyed. The Amalekites, a fierce nomadic tribe, had attacked. They burned the city. They took the women and children captive. David's men are devastated. They are filled with grief and anger. They even threaten to stone David. This is a defining moment for David. He could give in to despair. He could retaliate with violence. Instead, he chooses a different path. He seeks strength from God. He rallies his men. He plans a rescue mission. David and his men pursue the Amalekites, determined to reclaim what was taken from them. Their journey is arduous, crossing vast stretches of desert under the scorching sun. Along the way, they find an Egyptian slave, abandoned and left to die. The slave is weak and abandoned. David, showing his innate compassion, kneels beside him and offers help. He gives him food and water, reviving the man's strength and spirit. After ensuring the man is stable, David asks for his help in locating the Amalekites. Grateful for the kindness shown to him, the slave agrees and leads David and his men through the desert to the enemy's camp. The Amalekites are celebrating their victory, unaware of the impending danger. They are caught off guard as David and his men launch a surprise attack. David and his men fight bravely, their determination and courage shining through in the heat of battle. They rescue all the captives and reclaim their possessions. Nothing is lost and everyone is reunited. David's victory is not just a display of military strength, but also a testament to his strategic mind and compassionate heart. It is a testament to his leadership, his ability to inspire and guide his men through adversity. It is also a testament to his unwavering faith in God, which gives him the strength to overcome any challenge. David's compassion for the Egyptian slave plays a crucial role in his victory, highlighting the power of kindness and empathy in even the most dire situations. Let's delve into the profound connections between the stories of David in the Old Testament and the life of Jesus Christ in the New Testament. David's actions in 1 Samuel 30 foreshadow Jesus Christ. His journey and struggles are not just historical events, but are rich with symbolic meaning that points to the coming of the Messiah. David, like Jesus, is a shepherd. He cares for his flock, guiding and protecting them, much like Jesus does for his followers. He is a leader who seeks to rescue his people. David's leadership is marked by his dedication to saving those in distress, a trait that is mirrored in Jesus' ministry. The Amalekites, who represent chaos and destruction, can be seen as symbolic of sin. Their presence in the story highlights the constant battle between good and evil. David's pursuit and victory over the Amalekites foreshadow Christ's victory over sin and death. This triumph is a powerful prelude to the ultimate redemption brought by Jesus. The rescue of the captives mirrors Christ's redemption of humanity. Just as David frees those taken by the Amalekites, Jesus liberates us from the bondage of sin. David's compassion for the Egyptian slave reminds us of Jesus' love for all people, even those considered outcasts. This act of kindness is a testament to the inclusive nature of divine love. The theme of redemption is central to both stories. It underscores the transformative power of love and forgiveness. David brings back everything that was lost. His return with the rescued people symbolizes restoration and hope. Jesus offers eternal life to those who believe in him. This promise of eternal life is the ultimate redemption, a gift of everlasting peace and joy. 1 Samuel 30 is a powerful story. It is a story about leadership, it is a story about faith, it is a story about redemption. David's actions, guided by God, offer a glimpse into the character of Jesus Christ. David's compassion, courage, and unwavering faith serve as an inspiration. They remind us that even in the darkest of times, hope remains. God is with us, he will guide us, he will ultimately grant us victory. Are you ready for the next chapter? Just click here to go straight to it.